Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream grow a garden. We'll start by identifying the best ingredients to cultivate for your homemade treats. Then, I'll guide you through setting up your garden space, ensuring your plants thrive. Finally, we'll cover harvesting your fresh produce and incorporating it into delicious, unique ice cream recipes, bringing garden-fresh flavors to your kitchen. When planning your ice cream garden, think about the flavors you love. Berries are a classic choice, offering vibrant colors and natural sweetness. Don't forget aromatic herbs like fresh mint or fragrant lavender, which can add sophisticated notes to your creations. Even edible flowers can provide a beautiful garnish and subtle flavor. Aim for a variety that excites your palate and inspires new ice cream recipes. A successful ice cream garden starts with the right environment. Most fruit and herb plants need ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours each day. Prepare your soil by enriching it with organic matter, which provides essential nutrients. Regular watering is crucial, particularly when plants are young or during warm weather. With a little care, your plants will flourish, providing a bountiful harvest for your ice cream adventures. Once your garden is thriving, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvest your ingredients when they are at their most flavorful. Gently wash everything to remove any soil or debris. Now, the fun begins, creating your ice cream. Blend fresh berries into a classic base, or infuse cream with herbs for a unique twist. The possibilities are endless when you're making ice cream from your own garden.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.